get ready for the best, best eggless chocolate cake ever. Hey bakers, this cake is chocolate heaven. It turns out uber soft and spongy, so moist and also sturdy enough to be used to make frosted cakes. I am dying to make death by chocolate cake using this as the base. So without any further ado, let's see how to make this super simple and delicious chocolate cake recipe. To make this eggless chocolate cake, we would of course need some all-purpose flour or maida, baking soda and baking powder which acts as the leavening agent, cocoa powder of course as we are making a chocolate cake, and some salt. Along with that, for wet ingredients we would need some milk, butter, curd which acts as the replacement for 2 eggs, and of course sugar to sweeten it up. This being the chocolate version of our hot milk cake, we would of course need to heat the milk, right? So onto your saucepan, add in the milk and the cubed butter and heat this mixture until the butter is all melted and the milk is just beginning to boil but has not reached the boiling stage. If you are new to our channel and watching one of our videos for the very first time, then I would love to have you guys on board. Please do consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon so that you get notifications on all the desserts and baking related recipes that I keep sharing on this channel. So once it is heated up, put it to a side and onto a separate bowl start sieving your dry ingredients, which includes the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Sieve the dry ingredients once, give a gentle mix and then set it aside. Onto a separate bowl, start adding your curd, sugar and vanilla essence. Combine it until it is homogeneous and mix through. You can also use 2 eggs here in place of curd if you would like to try the egg based version of the hot milk cake. If you are planning to use eggs, then make sure that you beat the eggs really well, like until it is doubled and foamy in size. Coming to the eggless version, once you have whipped the curd and sugar for about a minute or two, start alternating between the dry ingredients and the milk butter mixture by starting and ending with the dry ingredients. So this ensures that you are not overmixing the batter at any stage and also avoids the curdling of the batter, which is very common especially in egg-based cake batters. So I have included such tips into an ebook which comes in very handy and you can download it for free just by entering your email address. I would highly recommend this book to especially the home baker who is just beginning their journey. Another question that I was asked in our eggless vanilla sponge cake video was that whether we add hot or warm milk. So the milk remains hot only. It takes hardly about a minute to sieve the dry ingredients and a minute or two to whip the curd and sugar. So in this short span of time, the milk would not warm up. So it would remain hot only. Just proceed and trust me and proceed and you will have an amazing cake batter. I already have received so many pictures on our Instagram page. Seems like you guys are simply enjoying the eggless vanilla sponge base. Once the cake batter is ready, simply transfer it to a prepared cake tin. I have oiled and floured the cake pan and lined the base with parchment paper. Um, and this is an 8-inch pan, by the way, actually 7.5 to be precise. So transfer the cake batter, level the top off, and off it goes to baking in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 45 minutes until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake sit in the pan itself for about 3 minutes and then run a knife around the edges, invert the cake pan, remove the parchment paper and let the cake cool completely before slicing and enjoying it. Yes, of course, you can also use this as a base recipe in all your frosted cakes too. Look how spongy and incredibly moist this cake is. Topping the cake with some mango sauce because hey, why not? It's summers after all, right? Chocolate cake and mangoes, so yum. And trust me when I say this, this is the best eggless chocolate cake I have ever had. I mean, this turns out to be so soft, spongy, and incredibly moist. Just look at the texture. This is seriously a recipe that you need to try now. Just trust me and try it, and you will love it for sure. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please do like this, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel for more such baking and dessert related recipes. I'll see you soon with yet another one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.